Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change currency in Google Play. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store on your Android device. And here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the menu, select Settings and tap on General. Then select Account and Device Preferences. Here, scroll down until you find the Country and Profile section. Here, you'll see the list of available countries. Select the country whose currency you want to use. For example, choose United States and switch it to USD or Philippines for peso. Once selected, the Play Store will automatically update to show prices in that country's currency. Now go back to the Play Store, home screen, and search for paid app or game. You should now see the prices displayed on your chosen currency. And note that you can only change your Play Store country once per year. And you must not be located in or have a valid payment method for the new country. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.